Okay, fine. Good morning, children. Now listen here. I am talking about this px is equal to 2s square minus x plus 1 by 8. But our question is quadratic equation 2s square minus x plus 1 by 8. What to do here? I want to make an equation. What to do here? Tell me. Is it a quadratic equation now?
Equal
Yes. Tell me.
Multiply by 8.
No. Whatever be that, here also I can multiply by 8. My question is, this is a polynomial now, quadratic polynomial. Is this a quadratic equation now?
no
What to do? What medicine we had to give?
Equal to 0.
Very
equal to
fine.
0.
Excellent. All of you clap for it. Clap. Very good. Now equal to 0, sir. There is no equal to 0. That is why we face some difficulty here. But here no difficulty. What to do? Every term multiply by the denominator. Into 8, into 8, into 8, into 8. See? 2 into 8, that means 16 square minus x into 8, 8x. 1 by 8 into 8, that is really 8. 0 into 8 is, that is big 0. This we cannot apply here. But we did. Understand the difference. Be sharp, my children. Listen here. Now we got the quadratic equation. You can solve it. Multiplication is 16 and addition is minus 8. You know the numbers. Which are the numbers? Multiplication is 16 and addition is minus 8. Tell me which are the numbers?
Minus 4.
Minus
4 and minus 4.
Very good. Minus 4. Minus 4. We did this one. 16s square minus 4x plus 1. After that, join it together. We are taking 4x outside and put in the back here and one more back here. As I told you last class, it must be same thing. Your kit, your bag is with you. 4x. 16s square minus divided by 4s means maybe 4x. 4 4s are 16. 4x. And taking outside, that means 1. In this bag also, Naja Fatima she brought one bag. Then Hanan also brought one bag. I put there 4x minus 1. Suppose this is oranges. Here also same thing. The oranges. Now what is left there? See 4x minus 1. 4x minus 1. Sir, here 4x plus 1. Sir, no, these oranges are not good. Suppose I am giving you 4x plus 1. No, they will cry, they will fight because my orange is like good, my orange is like that. No, what the sir is doing? 4x minus 1. Now look here. Here 4x plus 1, sir. What to do here? Tell me. I want to make exactly same. Why? This bag is filled with 4x minus 1. In this bag also 4x minus 1. Outside what? Outside not 1. Outside, okay.
Minus 1.
Minus 1, excellent. Now, Naja, 4x1, she is happy with the bag. And Hanan also happy with his bag. Now, what is there? Another girl is there, maybe Shireen. What is left with her in this bag? What is there? Naja and Hanan got 4x minus 1. Now one more bag. She is carrying this bag. What is there in this bag? What is left there? Okay.
4x minus 1.
4x minus 1.
Minus
4x minus 1. Correct? Now see, the answer is 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1. That is why 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1. We got two factors because it's a quadratic equation. Its power is 2. That means very clearly we can say 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x that is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to, I want the answer. X is equal to how much? 4x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 4. And repeating. X is equal to 1 by 4, no? Yes. X is equal to 1 by 4. These are, let me check your command. Oh, good. 16 chats are there. Okay. Good boys. Good girls. Very nice. They respond. Okay, fine. Now listen here. Here you got X. So here what I do here, I am expanding. This you studied. But in the beginning I told you it is not is equal to 0. So what you can do here, you are taking this one into 2. That means 16x square minus 8x plus 1. And you have to put here 1 by 8. Because not 0. So 2s square is not 16s square, but 2s square divided by 8, 1 by 8. See, this all LCM 8. Multiply by 8 and divide by 8. Multiply by 8, I wrote here, and divide by 8, 1 by 8. See the difference. If it is a polynomial, factorization like this, 1 by 8 into 16s square minus 8x plus 1, then 16s square minus 8x, we are getting 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1. Their factorization only. 1 by 8 into this one it is come. So what I am telling, don't confuse, sir, what are you talking now? I am expanding only. Polynomials, there is no equal sign. There is no equal to 0. So you are not supposed to multiply by the denominator. You can multiply the denominator and numerator by same number. That means 8 by 8, I multiply 2s square minus x plus 1 by 8. Exactly what I did, this 8 into 8 into 2, 16. 8 into x minus 8x. 8 into 1 by 8, that means 1. And this I am keeping 1 by 8. You understood this one? Don't confuse. Here what I am telling, the difference of polynomial, quadratic polynomial and quadratic equation. What is the difference? Here 0 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0, LHS is equal to RHS, then we can factorize whatever operation multiplication you can multiply there, because 0 in any number is 0. Doesn't matter. Addition also we can do. Subtraction also we can do. Like that only. All transposing. It is clear? Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Now, listen. Some statements we have to do. Good. Solve the problems. See, I am telling one problem. All of you write the question. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Simple problem only. 4.2 exercise. Question number 3. Find two numbers all of you write. Solve. Question 1. Question number 1. Your textbook question number is 3. Find two numbers. Find two numbers. Find two numbers. Oh, sum is 27, product is 182. Oh, sum is 27. Oh, sum is 27 and product is 182. And product read the question, all of you. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. You understood the question? Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Look here, don't confuse you. You understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, first you have to think about linear equation two variable. But here quadratic equation, this is easy. You can do x plus y, s and y like that. But here it's quadratic equation. Be careful. You have to make one variable only. Quadratic equation, one variable. Look, standard form is a square plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0. You cannot see x and y. So think about one variable. But sir, find two numbers whose sum is 27. How? How can we do this one? Anybody can help me? Please. I have to make using x only. How? How can? What to do? Sum is 27. Listen here. I have 30 rupees. You gave me 30 rupees. Fatima and Shireen gave me 30 rupees. Suppose Fatima gave me 12. How much is Shireen gave me? Tell me. Naja Fatima, tell me. Total 30 rupees. I am telling 12 rupees Fatima gave me. How much Shireen gave me?
30 minus 12.
Yes, correct. That is linear equation you can do. X 30 minus 12, that is 18. See here what they are telling. Sum of two numbers 27. Let one number is x. Let she gave me x. No. What is other number? Sum of two numbers. Let one number be x. Then other number, please tell me other number. Very good, excellent, excellent. 27 minus x. 27 minus x. Instead of x and y, we can do linear equation. You can try from home because you studied that. X and y. But here x and y will not work out. We need x only or y only. Let one number be x. Therefore, then other number is 27 minus x. No. And product is 182. Now you can do. Product is 182. Okay. Now what is one number? X. And other number 27 minus x. What do you by product? Multiplication. That is equal to 182. Am I right? Yes, good, good. But where is the quadratic equation here? Here x only, here x only. Where is that? That is why first exercise we did checking quadratic equation or not. Don't underestimate the thing. Don't underestimate. Try. We are math student. Scatter and find out. Scatter the life problem. Okay. Now here. How can I open the bracket? I can. 27x minus s square. That is equal to 182. Okay. 27x. But here minus s square. Am I right or not? I am telling the trap. X into X is S square, I know, but minus S square. Maybe I told you before also, minus of S square, minus of, this is different. Both are not same. Here minus came here. X into X S square plus into minus S square. So you told me minus X into minus S. It is not minus X into minus X. That is why I'm always telling this is minus S square. Suppose minus 5 square, minus of 5 square, these all are different. This is minus 25. This is 25. Minus 5 square is 25. So here, minus S square, 182. So what to do? Minus S square plus 27x. Don't say minus this one. Minus is the sign of this boy. Then bring this one. 182 is equal to 0. Are you following? All of you write up
Yes,
to
sir.
then here minus is there. What to do? Riya, tell me. Here minus is sir. Before that, no minus. What to do? What to do, Fatima? Multiply with my excellent, excellent. Good, good, good. Multiply with minus 1. Okay, I am doing that. Minus 1 into S square plus 27x minus 182. That is equal to 0. That means here minus minus plus S square minus 27x plus 182. That is equal to 0. Now we got the standard form. Here no minus. Whenever starting S square or Y square, whatever be the minus, multiply with minus 1. Now split the middle term and do. Now complete the work. S square minus 27x plus 182. That is equal to 0. You got the answer? Split the middle term, 182. 182. Factorize that. What answer you got? S square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. What answer? Which are the numbers? What x is equal to how much?
Minus 13 minus 14.
Okay, split the middle term. Split the middle term. Here, both are same side. Now, 14x minus 13x. 14 plus 13, 27. So, s square minus 182 right there. That is equal to 0. S square minus 14x minus 13, exactly. 27 is equal to 14 plus 13, minus 1. Now, what you got x is equal to? Tell me what is x is equal to?
X is equal to 13 and 14.
Okay, fine. You can see here x. Take x outside, x minus 14. So here must be x minus 14, same thing. And take outside, maybe minus 13. So what we got? s minus 14 into s minus 13, that is equal to 0. Split in the middle term only. Anytime we explain that. That means s minus 14 is equal to 0, x is equal to 14, and here x minus 13 is equal to 0, x is equal to 13. S is equal to 14 and s is equal to 13. What is the question? Find the two numbers. The numbers are 13 and 14. Find two numbers whose sum is 27, and you can check that. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, if any difficulty is there, please tell. Clear now? Anybody, any problem? Are you feeling any difficulty? These are simple statement sum only. Simple, very simple. Okay? Clear, clear. Okay, good, good. Now write another question. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Question number 5, exercise 4.2. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. Again, I will read. Please draw this rough figure there. You can draw a rough figure. That is good. It will clear your answer. At least examiner will give you half mark because he know the concept. The altitude of a right triangle write the question. The altitude of a right triangle. Second question. The altitude of a right triangle. Altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than 7 centimeter less than its base. Less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, hypotenuse is the hypotenuse is 13, not 30, 13, teen word, 13 centimeter. Find other two sides. Find other two sides. See the question. Look the question. First understand the question. And if you understood, draw the right triangle there in the working column. Here, draw the right triangle. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. Find other two sides. Draw the right triangle, all of you, and mark what is given. Draw the triangle and mark what is given. You understood? Mark it. 7 centimeter less than his base. So it is a right triangle. It is a right triangle. This hypotenuse, base, and perpendicular. You know the Pythagoras theorem. You have to call Pythagoras. What is Pythagoras theorem? Tell me what is Pythagoras theorem. Tell me. Pythagoras theorem, tell me. Okay, yes.
Hypotenuse square is equal to root of altitude square plus base square.
Now, more you have to clarify that. Now listen, okay, you know that you study that this year also similarity is coming. The proof is there. Pythagoras theorem proof is there. Normally repeated question paper, you can see the question, prove Pythagoras theorem. Anyway, listen here. Roughly I am telling. See my here. In a right triangle, 90 degree. Hypotenuse, I told you not hippopotamus, hypotenuse. This is a perpendicular. This is the base. What Pythagoras is telling, in a right triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Listen here, in the textbook class 8 or 6 you can see, make this a square. Another, this is perpendicular square I am making. Suppose this is 4 or 3, this is 3. This will be 3. 3 into 3, area of this square of the perpendicular. That means 3 into 3, that is 9, this area. Area of this square. Then suppose this is 4. Base is 4. And I extend it. This is square. Make square. 4. What is this? 4 into 4. Square of the base. That means 16 centimeters square. See, Pythagoras is telling square of the perpendicular plus square of the base. That will be the square of the hypotenuse. Suppose I am making this. No rectangle, make square. No, I have limitation of time. No, time and place is there. Look here. What he is telling. This is 5. This you are taking the area. It will be 5 into 5. See, 5 5s are 25. Listen me carefully. 5 square, 3 square, and 4 square. Now look here. 9. This 9 plus 16, that is equal to 25. Listen here. Square of the perpendicular, square of the base, that means 9 plus 16, exactly 25. This is Pythagoras theorem. Or hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Square, see, hypotenuse, you saw this one, see, this square, area of this square and area of this square, that is equal to area of the square on diagonal. What is this? Hypotenuse. Volume concept also there, but I am talking about the area concept. Simply what I need, S, suppose this is X, or suppose this is A, this is B, this is C. We can say C square is equal to S square plus B square. That means C is equal to, as you told, root of S square plus B square. This is very clear, root of 25 5. That is the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides in a right triangle. In a right triangle. Okay, in class 8 book or class 7 book, I think so. It is the figure you can see. Area concept. Maybe in the math lab also you made like this